Hi everyone! Welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to track your order on Temu and see every step of your delivery process. Let's get started. First, open the Temu app on your phone. Next, go to the U section at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Orders. Here you'll see all the purchases you've made. Under each order, you'll find a track button on the right side, just below the product details. Tap it and you'll be able to see each step your package has gone through from when it was paid to when it was shipped, and finally, when it's ready for delivery. And if for any reason you want to cancel your order, simply go back, tap the three dots next to the product, and select Cancel. Remember, you can only do this before the package is shipped. If you need to change your shipping address, you can do that in the same section as well. It's super easy. With just a few taps, you can check exactly where your Temu order is and manage it anytime you need. And that's it. Now you know how to track an order on Temu.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.